Winter can leave your skin dry, dull, and irritated, but green tea is the perfect natural remedy to keep your skin glowing and healthy. Antioxidant powerhouse, packed with polyphenols, combating oxidative stress and reduce signs of aging. Rich in epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, that protects collagen from breakdown caused by UV rays and environmental damage. Hydration, elasticity, and brighten skin. Rich in vitamins C, B2, and E, which maintains skin hydration, and in combination with EGCG, improves and inhibits collagen and elastin degradation. Boosts circulation, giving the skin a natural glow, speeds wound healing, and reduces scarring. Supports collagen synthesis, rich in polyphenols and vitamin C, essential for collagen production. Vitamin C in particular is a key cofactor in collagen synthesis. Anti-inflammatory properties, polyphenols, especially EGCG, reduce skin inflammation, reducing acne, eczema, rosacea, psoriasis that tend to flare in winter. Antimicrobial properties, fights acne and breakouts by combating acne-causing bacteria. These properties also aid control sebum production, preventing clogged pores, reduces puffiness and dark circles. The caffeine in green tea helps constrict blood vessels, reducing puffiness and under-eye dark circles. Applying chilled green tea bags to the eyes can instantly refresh tired skin. Protects against UV damage, acts as a natural sunscreen booster, reducing UV-induced inflammation and damage. Protects against premature aging. Protects against collagen breakdown, helping to prevent wrinkles, fine lines, sunspots, inflammation, and promotes cell regeneration, helping heal minor cuts, scars, and blemishes faster. How to use green tea for glowing skin. Apply green tea topically as a toner or add to skincare products. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily for maximum benefits. Use chilled tea bags under your eyes to reduce puffiness. Green tea face mask. Mix green tea powder with honey and aloe vera.